Don't worry, folks. I'm not going to make you sit here through all 52 melodies this little feller can play. This is a wireless doorknob, or doorbell rather. That's the button. And here's the receiving unit that you just plug in somewhere in your house or wherever you want to hear it. And this thing has a range of 1,000 feet. Now, somebody owns a dadgum place where their house is 1,000 feet long. Hey, dadgum, that's more than 3 football fields. That's a big outfit. But anyhow, it's supposed to have a range of 1,000 feet. It has five volume levels. And of course you see the LED flash when it's playing. And so that makes it handy, like if you got earphones on or you're watching TV or something, and this is within your sight. Somebody hits the doorbell, maybe you don't hear it because you don't have it turned up as loud as I do, or the TV's blaring or whatever. You can still see the little light flashing, let you know there's somebody out there. Well, what impressed me was I've never had a wireless doorbell before. This is made by AVANTEK, and tell you what, that gun 52 melodies. You got to find something you like. Keep on plugging. I mean, it plays longer now. I just keep on plugging it so it showed off. But anyway, we get a 10% discount. My viewers are getting a 10% discount. The code is right here. Use that code right there, and you save 10% on it. You can find it at Amazon. I'll have the link down in the description. But that would just make you plumb happy to answer the door, wouldn't it? Is that French? I don't know. Anyway, if you would like to get your very own AVANTEK wireless doorbell, check them out. Y'all have a wonderful day and a better tomorrow. Bye, everybody. AVANTEK. Get you one. Where can you have this much fun? Oh, there's a secret keyword that you need to know. Make sure you write this secret keyword down. The word is doorbell. Remember that. You're going to need that later this week. Doorbell.